So today's well walking. It's well walking and carrying about 14 pounds of honey. Long story of that. I was invited next week of spring break, and I was invited by Discovery Education to Discovery headquarters in Silver Spring, Maryland, to spend a couple of days talking about what happens when we think beyond the textbook in terms of digital textbooks. So I've been thinking about it a little bit, and here's some of what I'm thinking after I pick up my dropped honey. The thing about a digital textbook is it's not really a book, it's software. And the thing about software, dropping that honey. The thing about software is software that's not connected to the internet is broken in today's day and age, I think. And the internet used to be a place where we consumed information, then we did both consume and create, contribute, and today we talk about the Internet of Things. So what does all that have to do with a digital textbook? Well, when I think about textbooks, I've often thought that more and more that the ideal textbook, any textbook maybe, but I'm thinking about math now, it's probably a blank sheet of paper. A teacher's manual might be heavy, but the student book probably is just a blank sheet of paper where they begin to collect ideas. So digitally, what would that be? Well, I would want, I think, that textbook, or tech book as they call it at Discovery, to do a few things. One of them is I want it to not just record my notes. I want it to be able to talk to the other textbooks in the classroom, the other students. And when I start solving a problem, I want to maybe be able to input what I'm thinking into the book by writing it down and maybe collaborating with another student in my class. Maybe there's a question that asks me, what do you think the answer to this is? And I offer my guess. And it aggregates the data from my class. And then in my class, maybe we compare that data with how everybody in our school division thought about it, or maybe everyone in our city or our province or a country or the world. And all those tech books should be able to not only talk to each other, but to talk to other things. So what I'm thinking of is I should be able to do a couple of different things, like take a picture and upload it into my tech book and have tools that allow me to put accurate measurements on it and then measure angles and lengths and compare different things for studying measurement or probability or geometry or whatever it is. I want the tech book, I want the page to watch what I'm doing as I'm doing it, and to recognize, for example, that I seem to be doing the same kind of calculation over and over again, and then suggest maybe I'd like to create a Wolfram Alpha widget to do that calculation again and again. I'd like integration with Wolfram Alpha probably everywhere in the tech book so that I could at any time search up information, but I really dig the idea of it encouraging me to create my own widget. I think that would be really neat. Also, when I take really good notes, I want it to notice that I'm taking notes and then ask me, would you like to contribute these notes to the Wikipedia article for your grade for this math content or science content or whatever it is? Those are some of the things that I'm thinking. Deep integration with Wikipedia, deep integration with Wolfram Alpha, deep integration with the ability to talk to other books and other students anywhere, wherever they may be, but essentially starting with a blank page so that the book grows over time and I construct what I need as I need it as time goes. Those are my initial thoughts. If you're thinking beyond the textbook, what are you thinking? I'd be really curious to know what ideas you may want me to share for you if I can while I'm in Silver Springs. Cheers.